everyone, Serena B here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my 12 Days of Christmas series. I had a lot of fun putting it together, and if you haven't checked it out, I'll link the playlist below. My friends Danny, Sabrina, and I have decided this year that we were gonna do an advent swap. So we randomly chose who we got, and I'm gonna show you in this video how I am going to package everything and also show you everything that I got for the advent. I'm not sure if she's going to do an unboxing every day. I don't know. We're all gonna do it differently and whatever works best for us. But we're doing the last 12 days of December. I decided that it would be fun to show you guys how I prep for an advent swap. I hope this video is enjoyable for you. It's gonna be fun for me. So I bought this big box. It's really deep. I got it because I like that it has a little lid. I got this at Dollarama. So my plan is to basically individually wrap every little gift and put them in here. I hope they fit. I'm not quite sure if it's all gonna fit. If you guys want to check out how to make these, I will link the video below. So I have these that I might want to use, and I'm just really going for an eclectic theme. Now, I always send them homemade cookies. The last thing I'm gonna do is bake the cookies, and then this is gonna be day one so that she can eat it right away. So I'm gonna gift her these sequins. So I made this one in that video if you guys want to check it out. And that fits really nicely. So I think for this one, what I'm gonna do is poke 2 holes, wrap some twine around it, and then add the tag in there. I'll make this one day 2. So for my swap, I did try to make half gifts, half handmade presents. I think what I'm gonna do is try to alternate handmade and gift. Here's day 2 all finished up. I think it's really cute, very simple, and came together really easily, but I love this paper. I think it's just so cute. So, first one in the box. Yay! I'm sending her a bunch of candy, and there's a bunch. This whole stocking is filled with candy. There's some high chew, grape, a chocolate, candy canes, and inside there's some more chocolates at the bottom. So this is going to be one of the gifts, like a treat. So I know that this is day 6, so I thought halfway through the advent she would enjoy a little treat. This is an acetate day 6, and I think I'm just going to punch a hole in it and add some twine. So I like how that looks. I know it's simple, but it's good for me. So I'm gonna gift her these really cute paper clips, which are so adorable, and let's wrap it up actually. So for this gift, I use beautiful colors of nail polish. And for this one, I'm going to add some crinkly paper, some And so here we have these really cute long knee-high socks with a little reindeer. I thought this would be so cute. I'm just gonna cover up that price tag with one of these stickers here. Okay, I think I'm going to use this box to put in the socks, because if I put them in just like a bag, which I was going to do originally, she can tell right away that they're socks. So by rolling them up and putting them in a box, hopefully it's not going to be so much of a giveaway. I think this is going to be the main gift, like the 24th, because I made a little mini album for her. I took some of her pictures that she posted on Instagram last year, and I made her a little mini folio, and I wrote her a little poem with pictures of her family. So it says, "What I love about the holidays," and I'm using the Crepe Paper Merry Days collection. So I don't have a video on this because I made it for this advent, but I'll show you really quickly what it looks like. Let me just zoom in. So I had a little trouble finishing the poem, but I'll read you the poem. So it says, "What I love about the holidays. Hot cocoa treats and peppermint sweets, fun makeup snaps and filters galore. New heights of our love we like to explore, and our kiddos' smiling faces make it complete." I tried, I couldn't figure it out. Anyway, so hot cocoa treats and peppermint sweets is because she posted this picture last year, and so I put it on a glitter tag. I decorated it, and I left a blank in the back so she can do her journaling. So this is really, really cute. She loves peppermint, like, so that's why I did that. And then here, fun makeup snaps and filters galore. Took some of the filter selfies that she did and posted last year. So this one's really cute. It's just a tag from the ephemera pack. I added some of this gold tinsel-y trim from Michaels. The swan again, so cute. And then it says reindeer Rudolph, because she has a little deer filter. And then this is a piece of paper I cut down to size, and it said Merry Christmas, and I thought that was perfect because she's doing a little pouty lip here, and I think it's really, really cute. And then here it says New heights of our love we'd like to explore, and that's a picture of her and her husband. What a beautiful couple. So I decorated it a little, and it says the magic of Christmas. I really like how this little layout came out, and I cut the leftover that I cut from here, I just tucked, instead of throwing it out, I tucked it under the photo here, and I love how that looks. It creates another little layering effect. Add a little piece of ephemera. And then here are pictures of her babies. These are her kids and her husband, and again, this was posted last year. So I just took that glitter paper from the tag set from Merry Days. I made it into a tag. Ephemera from the collection, a sticker, and then I just took a photo. It says Jingle All the Way. And yeah, that's her beautiful family, and I put a little clip here, so I thought that was really cute. I love how I decorated down here. So here's Santa, little Santa airmail thing, little pieces of scraps of paper, some puffy stickers, puffy mittens, a little tree, some of these beautiful enamel stars I got from Danny, more scraps, washi tape, and then Santa. I really like how this turned out. I think it's really cute. Okay, so I decided to keep it in the plastic bag, but I'm going to package it in the actual gift bag. So I'm gonna add a Studio Calico gold star here to kind of guide the eye. Alright, so that's day 9. So I'm just gonna package this one in here. This little baggie that I made. Again, the tutorial will be linked below. Really like that. All right, next gift, And so I'm gonna do this stuff a little bit off camera because I don't want to make this video way too long. So I'm showing you what I made, and I have a video on this. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. I'm just gonna wrap it off camera and I'll be back. Day 5 is complete. On to the next. So I'm gonna use this pink wrapping paper again. I'm gonna wrap the stickers with this paper. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so this is day 11. These are the stickers again. And I decided to use a Merry Days 3x4 card from a cut apart sheet. A Merry Days puffy sticker. I think that's really cute. And I adhered it with just some washi tape. But I used the washi so that she can easily take it off and reuse the card. But then I went and stapled the acetate number 11, and hopefully she can still use this somehow. Let me take this out and add a sticker here and just reuse the packaging. So I thought that'd be really fun. So that is day 11, and now we're going to wrap the little ornament I made. Okay, so this is day 3. I wrapped the ornament in some bubble wrap. That's why it's a little bit chunky. I added in this gold foiled polka dot glassine bag. And then I took this ephemera from Merry Days. It said love in the middle, but I really like how the number 3 kind of just sits there. That's another one of those wooden buttons that my friend sent me. And so I just clipped it together. Hopefully she can maybe try to reuse some of this stuff too. So I am going to wrap the last gift in this glassine bag that I have. So this is how I decorated the last gift. I added a little candy cane, a little sweet treat. I tied a ribbon, but this twine keeps fraying at the ends. My bow doesn't look the nicest, but it's okay. I never know how to make these like nice bows, but it's fine. So anyways, here is the little tag and the little card that I cut down. I added a gold star and some red bling. So this is the last gift. Now I'm going to show you all of them from start to finish. So number 1 is the cookie gift. Number 2 are the sequins. Number 3, number 4, the paper clips. Number 5, the embellishment box. Number 6, the candy stocking. So again, 7 nail polish, 8 socks. 9 is the bag. I love how that looks. It's so fun. 10 is the, I really like this one too actually. This one is the bath bomb. I like how that came out. It's so cute. And 11, all the stickers. And then here is number 12. So the next step is to try and get all of this in that box. I'm gonna do my best. I for sure gonna have some things that are gonna be outside of the box. So let's get started. Right, so I have the bottom of the box lined with crinkly bits. And I think I'm gonna put number 5 first because it's a box and it just fits a lot better. 6 can go here. Just trying to make everything fit nicely. So it's fun because she's gonna have to like dig around through it when she is looking for the days. And I'm gonna continue and throw in some more, kind of create like a sandwich, like a layer of crinklies. So I'm going to sprinkle around some fake snow. And I don't have any like cute embellishments or those packaging balls or whatever, but I do have these little styrofoam sprays. I'm going to pull them apart and throw them in here. If you're doing this and you're not giving out anything that's edible, you can spray it with some perfume or like peppermint, twisted peppermint from Bath & Body Works, just to give it a nice little peppermint smell when she opens it. So I thought that would be cute, but since I have candy and stuff, I am not going to take that chance. So I think that's looking good. And like I said, I'm going to add these other gifts on the outside. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different, but let me know in the comments or give me a thumbs up to let me know if you would like to see more packaging videos like this from me. Alright guys, take care. Hope you have a wonderful holiday and a wonderful Christmas if you're celebrating. And just have a special little holiday with your loved ones and eat all the yummy food, and Happy New Year. Love you so much. Bye.